What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. I know it's been a while, but we're currently here in Samoa. We're currently here at the airport. I'm saying goodbye to my son.
Good.
Yeah, how are you? Are you gonna miss mommy?
Good.
Yeah? Say choo. Kizzy, I love you. I love you so much, son. Choo. Say choo. Yeah, I love you. I love you so much. Give mommy hugs. I love you so much, son. You and daddy going. I'll see you in 4 days. I love you so much. Let's never do this again, okay? I never want to travel without you and son. I love you so much. Bye.
See you in Samoa, fam.
I love you, baby. I love you. Bye. 4 days, okay? You come see mommy. 4 days. Mwah. I love you. Bye. I see you in Samoa. Say choo. I love you. Bye, son. I love you, baby. Okay, fam. So you're probably thinking, why are we going Samoa? Who am I going with? Am I going by myself? No, I'm not. Excuse me. My traveling buddy. I'm going with my travel buddy, Bible. Okay, hi guys. So we're currently seated at our gate. Rival with my swollen ankle. Rival with her socks. But we're waiting for to board. We're waiting to board our flight. We got to stop over in Brisbane and then we will make our way to up here. You're probably wondering, why are we going Samoa? Why are we going?
We're going Samoa. We're going for the wedding of the year.
The wedding of the year. The wedding of the year. It's for our girl Lavon and her future husband to be. They're getting married next week on Saturday. So that's why we're going to Samoa, guys. And we're just so excited. Anyways, we'll probably come back when we get in Brisbane, but yeah. Okay guys, so we're currently sitting in international Brisbane airport. Our gate's like a little bit down that way to 82, but Vival's gone to get us some food because I'm actually literally hungry. Can I just say, Qantas is like, I don't know, maybe it was just the plane we came on, but it stunk. And it just, yeah, I don't know. Anyways, let's see what this flight would be like. Hopefully it's good. Okay, so this is what Vival's got us. That looks good. And I got the milky chicken. I'm actually starving. Did you eat all day?
Me?
Yeah, did
I ate Vegemite first before I came.
Oh! You eat Vegemite?
Yeah.
I ate Vival.
Straight Aussie born and raised.
No, yeah.
Sis, you're Australian. What kind of Australian are you?
Vegemite is so yuck. I can't.
Yeah,
I rate the fry. What do you rate it?
8.
8. Okay guys, we're finally on. We're gonna try. We got a review about Qantas.
Never.
This is our first time. Who was my travel agent that booked this flight? Nah, grateful. We're still grateful, but we definitely have review. Anyways, we have a screen.
Yeah.
This is what Vival wanted. Anyways, this will be our last time. We're gonna try and have a snooze. Are you gonna try and sleep?
Yeah. 4 hours we got.
4 hours. This flight is 4 hours, so we're gonna try and have a nap. And then we will see you all in Samoa. Bye!
5 minutes later.
Hey guys, we made it! Oh my Nah, I'm going elevator. Guys, like I said, the ankle is not ankling. Wait, I didn't film. Did you film? Not only does Bible book my fare, she books my fare. She's my travel agent, my personal banker, and she's been doing all of this stuff. I've just been walking, guys. Okay guys, we're just gonna pick up our luggage. I did see one of my bags. Oh, there it is. Wait, but like I was saying before I got told off, I've literally just been walking, and Vival's had my passport and she's been filling out my forms. Look at me just jump off the plane and forget that I had to fill a form. But guys, I've literally been struggling with my ankle, and before the comment section comes for me, it's not gout. I don't got gout. I've twisted my ankle so many times. I don't know how to explain it, guys, but I always get this. Like literally, it feels like I've twisted it again. So that's why I've been a crippled woman walking through the airport. But thank you, Jesus, we made it to Samoa. I'm just really so shattered and sad that I didn't get to... Wait, is this me? Nah, this is not me. Just leave it off the bat. Yeah, that's me. I'm just shattered I didn't get to come with my husband and my son. I miss my son so much. I'm trying to like hold it in and not cry because there's so many people here with their babies, and I just keep thinking about my son. But they arrive here on Monday, so stay tuned for that vlog. It'll be Tour's first time to Samoa, and I'm so excited for that. Anyways, we're gonna get our bags and then we'll vlog when we get back out there. Let's go! Welcome to Samoa! Okay guys, we got our car. Okay guys, I have a little update. I look tragic, but you know what? Mind your business. I'm trying not to cry and trying to be brave face, but my main luggage didn't come. Oh! We waited until all the stuff came on the belt, and yeah, everything was loud and except for my bag. But there were a few people that hadn't got their luggage too. So anyways, this is the story. So when we went and checked in Melbourne, the man that was checking us in, he put my bag through and he forgot to put my tag on, and then he noticed that he forgot to put my tag on. Bye guys, we'll see you guys soon. What was I saying?
Oh, the man didn't put your check tag.
He didn't put the tag on my bag, and I saw it too, and I was like, nah, surely he knows what he's doing. And then he ends up getting on the phone, and he must have called the back to let them know. Oh, Vival, lucky we have $10. Oh, yep, we can go. Thank you.
12 seconds later.
Guys, I thought he knew what he was doing. He called the back. He must have called the people in the back and said, there's a bag coming, can you just tag it, blah blah blah. Anyways, I said to him, I go, are you sure everything's gonna be okay? I'm gonna get my bag. And he's like, yes, it'll be fine.
He's like, yeah, I made the call.
It will be there. He said that. He goes, it will be there. And I'm like, okay, I've trusted him. And he broke my trust because now my bag's not here. We don't know where it is. I'm like panicking because I had 2 other bags. One bag only has undergarments and like some like toiletry stuff, and the other bag literally has nothing. Like I didn't put any clothes in there, so now I've got no clothes. So now Vival's clothes need to be stretched out. Vival's clothes need to be stretched out to fit me because
wear your love lover.
Oh my god, no!
That's enough.
Guys,
5-year love lovers.
First it's my ankle, then it's my little sniffles. I went like this. Anyways, I'm gonna try and stay positive. Hopefully, whatever you want it to be, sis.
Sis, I don't want no cop pulling up on me.
No, we got our license now. We can do whatever we want. Before we couldn't. We were driving illegally. Now we can because we got our license. Okay, Guys, I need to go and think and regroup and try and get on a positive mindset, because right now it's not it. It's not it. All right, guys, welcome to Samoa. Choo-hoo! Okay fam, so listen, we're trying to be positive. We checked in. Thank you to SAMOA Boutique for letting us check in early. We definitely needed a shower and to brush our teeth. So we freshened up. Vival looking beautiful in a green. And I'm sponsored by Levon, if you didn't hear me from upstairs. Listen, we just need to be positive, okay? Positive.
We're gonna
and
have a nice breakfast.
Nice breakfast.
We're just going to meet up with Levon, Ya, Uncle and Kathy and Candace.
Yep. But yeah, Ya has a cafe that he knows that he's gonna take us out to. So we'll be back. Hi Candy. Nice to see you. Okay guys, so we got in this morning. We went and had breakfast with the crew. Yep. The maid of honor, Candace and Viva walking over. And we're getting hustled.
What?
Yeah?
Look at that. Am I end again?
Yeah. Okay, so we had to run some errands for the bride. And now we are here at Whangalei Market. We wanted to come shopping. These are nice.
For dance. Wear a white cape.
Guys, I'm trying to stay positive mind about my akupa'u, but
She's got positive news.
I've got positive news. What is it?
The positive news is that they know where her akupa'u is now, and it's in Melipone. It's in Mount Ben.
Never left.
It never left, guys. So the person that served us, mate, you're a liar. Welcome to Samoa. There you go.
No, it's okay.
Go Candy.
You do it.
You do it. I'll do it.
Yeah.
You do it.
Wow.
Okay guys, so if you've never watched our vlog before or you don't know, now you know. In Samoa, you can sit in the back of the ute and go to your next destination. It's not illegal, it's legal. As long as you're sitting, like your bottom is sitting down, like you can't sit on the rails.
You can't sit here.
Yeah. Okay guys, we're having dinner here at our hotel. I got the seafood boil with the rice, creamy steak with salad, strips with salad and rice. Steak cheese with
I'm soup girl.
soup girl and Uncle soup boy.
Yeah, soup boy, yeah.
And she got the same as me, seafood. Anyways, we're gonna close this vlog off, guys. After this, we're gonna wrap it up, and me and this girl are gonna go to bed because I'm tired. We love you guys. We love you guys. Our team has fun. How many days left? 8 more days till this beautiful bride walks down the aisle.